actually sweet potatoes. You can see the tubers are here. Okay, the tubers are here, and I'm going to plant them right here. I'm going to plant them here. This is how we plant. This is how we plant sweet potatoes in the village here. As simple as this. Well, in African village, food security is priority for every family, and they don't joke with it. They take it very, very serious, because you cannot live without food. Okay, you cannot live without food. Food is very important for every household around here. So that's why every season people plant. Okay, and this is the Africa that you don't see on the TV. You don't see it on the TV. Take a look at this, man. It is also some fun. I like doing it. Just like this. As simple as that. You know. Here we are going. We are moving already, guys. We are moving. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, this one already done. Almost finishing this row here. This one here. Please, if you like eating sweet potatoes, let me know in the comment section. Just drop your comment in the comment sections. What do you think about sweet potatoes? Because for me, and almost the entire village, for us, we like sweet potatoes here. Just drop in the comment section. What do you think about that? Yes. There we go. This one is already done. We move here. Yes, we are going. We're moving very well. Well, there's something that I've forgotten also to talk about. You know, sweet potatoes, when you plant, they don't take long to mature. Actually, after just 3 months, you start enjoying the fruits of your work. Okay, so this one here, after 3 months, right away we're going to harvest it, and then we start enjoying. Yes, that's fantastic. That's fantastic, you know. Yeah, like this. This row is already done. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.